welcome back to Series 2 of Talking of Science. If you're new here, this is the place where we explore big topics through the curiosity of a child.
And through the mild confusion of two adults.
Yeah, very much that. I'm Helen Frost, a scientist and communicator.
And I'm Dr C, and we have some good news.
We survived Series 1 and we're back with Season 2. Same idea, but different questions. We interview experts and find out more about how the world works.
You should probably say at this point that we have absolutely no funding.
Yeah, that is true. This is still a passion project, which is held together by curiosity, tea, and the fantastic hard work of Nilesh, our script editor, who keeps us on track behind the scenes. So, what are we actually talking about in Series 2?
Only small, simple questions. For example, what language do animals think in?
Yeah, that sounds simple until you try making an answer and then you realise you're not even sure what language you think in.
And whether a dolphin would find your thoughts unbearably boring.
We're also asking things like, do we need a Lorax? Not necessarily the small orange fictional character necessarily, but someone who speaks on behalf of the trees. And we're talking about polar bears and tiny germs and viruses. And of course, we had our extra special live recording in front of an audience that was all about snake bites.
Which is surprisingly practical knowledge, although you're thinking you're never gonna need it.
Yeah, we can hope so.
Really hope?
Across the series, we'll be speaking to a whole range of interesting experts who mainly spend their time thinking about these questions in like a proper scientific way rather than this speculative podcast way. But they've been super generous with their time and incredible at explaining things in a way that doesn't make us feel like we've missed decades of training.
We still ask the best questions though.
Exactly, because in this podcast we believe that science begins with curiosity, the curiosity that you often find from a child. Direct, persistent, and not afraid of sounding a little bit silly.
Which is lucky, because sounding silly is something we're great at.
So, if you enjoy exploring big topics, or you like a moment when suddenly something clicks into place, or even if you just like the sound of two people struggling to explain something complicated, then
Talking of Science is for you.
We're launching really soon, so keep your eyes peeled wherever you get your podcasts.
See you in Series 2.